another flip through of my October design team project for Calico Collage. And this one, I had a whole plan in mind and I was going that way, and then I went to a thrift store and I found this recipe book. And this recipe book threw my whole idea out of the window, and I went a totally different direction with the kit. I have to say, this is the Apples kit. I don't think that's the name of it. I'll link the true name in the description. But it's gorgeous. And I took it in a different direction. I was gonna make a traditional, very fall kind of thing, and instead, you'll see, I went a different way. I really like this kind of retro look, and I love the kind of whimsical, you know, rickrack and layering things on, and it's just really cute. So on the bottom, I kind of added some fabric and rickrack to kind of mimic the rickrack in the cover. And the rest of it is, since it's great condition, I just left it. All right. And here's the front of the cover. This isn't super, super old. I think I took out the page with the date. But I just really fell in love with it when I found it. And the rings are in great condition. I took out a bunch of pages, and then I started filling this whole book, and then I had to take out more pages. So when I list this in my Etsy shop, I will also sell or give the pages that actually go with the book, if that makes any sense. All right, I left all the tabs, so the appetizer, soup, etc. are all in there. This book would be fabulous for journaling and collaging on because it's sturdy and flat. I think it would be great. Okay, so here's one of the pages from the Calico Collage Apple Kit. See, it's so gorgeous. It's beautiful. And I just did a piece of ephemera on the top. And here I have a recipe card. I have an old math card, which was the perfect size. I had to. Made a pocket. This says A is for apple. And I have a recipe card and a tag with some fabric on it. And then this is actually a pocket as well. This is from the actual book itself. I added lots of washi because I couldn't resist how fun. Like, I mean, it just goes perfectly. All right, some more washi, another pocket with some fabric. And then I have, oh, I thought I had it near me, I don't. I have these old 1973 little magazines. It was for crocheting or sewing or something. And the ads were cracking me up. So what I did is I glued them on glued them on coffee dyed paper and did some stitching around them to make a journaling card. And then it says, "My wife is incredible. The way she takes care of the kids, the house, a job, and me. It's incredible. And look at her. She looks better than any of her friends. And they're all about the same age. Aren't those nice words for a woman to hear? But to be able to get all of those compliments, you have to take care of yourself. You eat right, get plenty of rest, exercise, blah, 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 blah." And I was like, oh gosh. Whew, anyway, it was too much. Yep, I was born in 1973. I think it's probably good that I wasn't my age in 1973 because I don't know if I would have dealt well with all that. Anyway, that's a different topic for a different day. Okay, here's a huge tag that was part of the kit. Another tag that I made out of the recipe card, add some washi and some fabric. And this is from a different recipe book that I have, an older one that I made a pocket with. And here we have a week time card, another pocket, and here's one of those ads. It says, "Save on open to elastic hose, hanging baskets, and earn up to $500 selling celestial bouquets." Very cute. And here's another tag and some more fabric. Another page from the kit. And here's a tuck spot I made with another ad from the book and some journaling cards. Another beautiful page from the kit. It says good apple, apple spice, and apple crumble. Another recipe card. Some more washi, Jello pinwheels if you would like to know how to make those. And here I clipped on another tag. I have another time card with some washi, some fun, I thought kind of retro 60s kind of scrapbook paper. It says freshly picked, another page from the kit. Apple of my eye. More apples from the kit. And this was also from one of those older magazines, and it was a subscription renewal thing, and I just really liked that there was already a pocket here, so I just glued it on and made it a pocket. Here I added an envelope, and in the envelope I have more of these advertisements. This one is how to sew a turtle, and then some more funky tags, all in that little envelope. And then on this side I have a tag and a journaling card, graph paper, some more scrapbook paper. I have a bunch of these really fun older word cards, and I thought that was fun. Another page from the kit. Isn't that beautiful? She did a great job. It's just so gorgeous. And then here's some more tags. Solo Grow Seed Starter Cubes. Do you want a heavenly figure? Enjoy amazing comfort. Experience breathtaking control. So there you go. Thought that was fun. This is fun. She also has a planner kit in this apple theme. I didn't obviously make this as a planner, but I thought that this would be a fun little journaling area, and if you wanted like inspirational or today, I just thought that was kind of fun, so I added it in. Here's another fabric pocket with a journaling card, some rickrack. Here's another ad. Fill out and mail postcard below for big family assortment of Valentines for only 25 cents. I just made a little pocket right here for it to go in. And some more of the pages from the kit. Some scrapbook paper. Again, going for that retro fun. Here's some scrapbook paper with recipes. Now we're on to main dishes. Another math card. More fabric. Scrapbook paper and washi. Here I have a little fold out. And this is from another Betty Crocker cookbook that I have. It's older than this one. And here, isn't that cute? A little mason jar tag from the kit. And then I had this really sweet Easter greetings postcard. I'm trying to see if there's a date. No, this does not have a date. This is actually from Amore Fabriques, Selena's Etsy shop. And here's some rickrack, some cakes, some washi tape, rickrack, some more pages from her kit. I love that scrapbook paper, so fun. Pancakes and waffles. Here's another one of those pockets, and in here I have Girls Belted Jumper and Christmas goodies. Just an old book page that I thought was really fun. Because a lot of times in older cookbooks you'll find pages that are ripped out, that are folded, so I kind of wanted to mimic that. We have some desserts, another fold out. Just desserts. Some fun fabric that I thought matched this page right here. Some more rickrack, more of that fun scrapbook paper. Bushel of love and some fabric. another time card. I did the time cards because they were the perfect size, just like these math cards. And then here it says, make today awesome, don't forget. So this is kind of another planner-ish kind of page that I added, and you could even plan right here. And this is your work basket subscription. So this is the other half of that page that I made a pocket, and I just love the page and the picture, so I added it in. Recipe card. And then at the back, this was actually in the back of the book, and I thought it was really fun, so I just left it in. And then I made this little booklet out of another cover from another recipe book, and in the inside I have graph paper, just another journaling area, and I just have that tucked in the back. And there is the journal. Kind of fun and different. I had fun with this one. Like I said, I didn't, the way I was originally headed with this kit, totally different. But I think it's kind of fun. I really like the kind of retro vibe. All right, give it a like if you thought it turned out all right, or make a comment. But have a wonderful day.